So children, today we'll discuss about neutralization. What is meant by neutralization? Children, when acid reacts with base, it gives salt and water. It is called neutralization. It is called neutralization. Neutralization, we are neutralizing children. Okay, acid. Please copy along with me, children. All of you. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Children, salt here means not your table salt. Children, table salt, of course, is NaCl. That is also salt only. I'm not saying. But salt means anything which comes from acids and bases are called salt. NaCl is a common salt, table salt, which we add in curries. But salt means anything which comes from the reaction with acid and base is called salt. Okay, now we'll do some examples of neutralization children today. Okay, so some of the famous examples of acids what we know is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Please copy on children along with me. Okay, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, oil of vitriol. Okay, next HNO3, nitric acid, very powerful acid. Children, nitric acid is very powerful. Okay, next H2CO3, carbonic acid, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, okay, and CH3COOH, acetic acid, or if you want, you can say ethanoic acid also. Ethanoic acid, same name, children. Acetic acid is common. These are some of the famous acids, children. Please copy on all of you. These are some of the famous acids. Okay, I hope everyone are copying. Okay, these are the famous acids. So, what are the acids I told, children? What are the acids I told? Here I am writing the list again. HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H2CO3, H3PO4, CH3COOH. These are acids. Many are there, children. Some I am telling. Many are there. Bases. So, only famous bases will take, children. Remaining all will do later, children. Some of the bases. Children, first let me write activity series. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver. Gold, platinum is there and not. These are metals. Metals, hydroxides are bases. Always metals are bases. Metal hydroxides, metal oxides are also bases. So metal hydroxide, KOH is a base. NaOH is a base. CaOH taken twice is also base. MgOH taken twice is also base. AlOH taken thrice is also base. ZnOH taken twice is also base. FeOH taken twice is also base. PbOH taken twice is also base. Okay, CuOH taken twice is also base. HgOH taken twice is also base. Silver hydroxide, all these are bases. We will do these bases, children. No need of this. Okay, metals means bases, children. Non-metals means acids. Metallic oxides are bases. Metallic oxides, metallic hydroxides. If metal is there, means that's all, children. It's the base. Okay, children. So this many bases. We will do all these acids with all these bases, children. We will not do this with this thing, children. Okay, okay. Some are enough, no? Some are enough. Okay. You have to do, children. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 6, 48 reactions you will get, children. 48 reactions. HCl with all of them. H2SO4 with all of them. HNO3 with all of them. H2CO3 with all of them. H3PO4 with all of them. Carbonic acetic acid with all of them. You should do. What is all of them means? I will show you. Okay, I'll be showing all the reactions with first with HCl, then one H2SO4, then one CH3COH. This three you do, children. This two, three I will do. Any three I will do, children. Any three you do. Okay, please, children. So neutralization means acid plus base. This many reactions won't be there in your textbook, children. They will give only one reaction. HCl plus NaOH plus NaCl plus H2O. That's all they will give. Neutralization means HCl plus NaOH gives HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. They will give, that's all. They won't give anything apart from this, but this we are doing to improve our knowledge in the chemistry. Some reactions may not be possible to do. It's not for possibility of the reaction I'm saying, just for your practice. Okay. Now we will do all the reactions, children. Okay. Now please see here, children. First with HCl I will do. Okay. First with HCl. HCl plus KOH. HCl with NaOH. HCl with calcium hydroxide. HCl with magnesium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide. HCl with iron hydroxide. HCl with lead hydroxide. We will do this one. Okay, children, please see here. Salt. What is the salt you will get? KCl. KCl plus H2. Potassium chloride is a salt. Okay, K is plus 1, Cl is minus 1. 1, 1 cancel, no children. So formula. Yesterday, that's why I'm teaching you formulas. When I'm saying, you should not get confused. What is the salt you will get, children? NaCl plus water. Water is compulsory. What is salt you are getting, children, here? CaCl2 plus H2O. Ca is plus 2, Cl is minus 1. 1, 2, CaCl2. Okay, what you will get, children? MgCl2 plus H2O. Because Mg is plus 2, Cl is minus 1. Yesterday, that's why I told you to do formulas, because you should not get confusion. Why sir is writing here Cl, here Cl2, you should not get confusion. What is here, children? AlCl3 plus H2O. What is here, children? ZnCl2 plus H2O. What is here, children? FeCl2 plus H2O. And what is here, children? PbCl2 plus H2O. Like this you should do, children. So, acid reacts with base to be salt and water. Like this you have to do. Okay, so iron FeCl3 also will come, FeCl2 also will come. Just first I am doing with plus 2, children. One HCl I told. One HCl I told. Okay, once I will tell, you have to copy down, children. As I am saying, you have to copy down. Once I say with any other acid, you tell me, children. I will do any other acid which you want. Anyone? Which acid you want? Children, which acid you want?
CS3COOH.
CS3COH I will do, Nana. Apart from that, any other acid? H3PO4.
H3PO4.
H3PO4. Yeah, children, because here PO4 is minus. Okay, all of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute. H3PO4. Mute yourself. H3PO4 with NaOH. H3PO4. Please copy down along with me, children. Calcium hydroxide. H3PO4. Magnesium hydroxide. H3PO4. Aluminium hydroxide. H3PO4. See, children, how easily I'm able to write all the formulas, because I know cations and anions perfectly. You should also learn perfectly. You should not learn these reactions, children. Whenever you see like this, you should think, oh, acid, base, salt, and water. Like that you should write. You should not learn the reactions. Learning reactions will not help children. Like that means millions of reactions will be there. You can't learn all of them. You should know what is the standard reaction, general reaction. So children, here you will get this, and what is this? So please listen once, twice I will explain. Again I won't explain. K is plus 1, PO4 is minus 3, plus H2O. So 3 will come here, 1 here. So what is the formula, children? K3PO4 plus H2O. Here also same, Na3PO4 plus H2O. Here, children, Ca is plus 2, PO4 is minus 3. This. So Ca3PO4 taken twice. Ca3PO4 taken twice plus H2O. Mg3PO4 taken twice plus H2O. Al is also plus 3, PO4 is also minus 3, cancel. AlPO4, aluminium phosphate. Zn3PO4 taken twice. Brackets you have to keep because phosphorus and oxygen are different. Okay. Ferrous phosphate plus H2O. Lead phosphate plus H2O. Okay, children, lead phosphate plus H2O. I hope you are able to understand. This is how you are going to write salts, children. These all are salts, children. One basic component, one acidic component. One basic component, one acidic component. Basic component, acidic component. Bases are metals, acids are anions. Bases are metals, acids are non-metals. Bases are metals, acids are non-metals. Children, you should do like this. Yeah? If you do like these reactions, then you will understand. Okay, children, last one. CH3COOH plus KOH. This and this. CH3COO minus K is plus. What do you get? CH3COOK plus H2O. Potassium acetate. What is it called? Potassium acetate. Next, CH3COOH plus NaOH. What do you get? Sodium acetate. CH3COONA plus H2O. Next, CH3COOH plus calcium hydroxide. Children, here listen carefully. CH3COO is minus, Ca is plus 2. 2 comes here, minus 1 goes there. CH3COO taken twice calcium. So this is called CH3COO taken twice Ca plus H2O, calcium acetate. What is it called, children? Calcium acetate. Calcium acetate. Okay, basic part, acidic part. CH3COOH plus MgOH taken twice. Same, children. Magnesium acetate plus H2O. Next, CH3COOH, aluminium hydroxide. Okay, children. Aluminium acetate plus H2O. Al is plus 3, no, children? So 3. 1 will go here. Next. Zinc acetate. What you get, children? Zinc acetate. Zinc acetate plus what? Next, CH3CO. FeOH taken twice. What you will get, children? Iron acetate. Iron acetate plus water. Okay. Next one, last one, children. Lead acetate. CH3COOH plus PbOH taken twice gives what, children? Lead acetate. CH3COO taken twice Pb plus H2O. Lead acetate. Okay. This is metallic part, non-metallic part, basic part, acidic part, basic part, acidic, basic acid, basic acid, basic acidic, basic acidic. Totally, it is a salt. So, what is a salt? Salt is substance formed from acid and base. You should write in exam. If they ask it, salt is substance formed from acid and base. There are 3 types of salts: acidic salt, basic salt, and neutral salts, which I have discussed briefly in acids and bases lesson, children. Okay. So, children, till now I did 3 acids. Okay, children, I did 3 acids. What are the 3 acids I did? HCl I did, H3PO4 I did, CH3COOH I did. Now you are going to practice H2SO4, HNO3, H2CO3. You are going to practice sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid. If you practice only, you will get it. If you don't practice, you will not understand. You have to practice them. You have to practice them. How much you practice, that much strong you will become in the chemistry, children. This many reactions won't be there in textbook, children. This is only I am making you do just so that chemistry will become easy for you. That's all. If you practice the reactions, it will become very easy for you to write reactions later. Learn general reaction. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. That's all. Don't learn the reaction. Learn the general reaction. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. If you see acid base, you put salt and water. That's all over. This is called, on the whole, neutralization reactions. I hope there are no doubts, children. If you have any doubts, I will stop the recording. You ask.